Yes, hi. So I was telling you about this commercial and non-commercial factors we require resource allocation and resource management. Okay. So now it's what is economic? In economics, a resource is defined as a service or other asset used to produce goods and services that meet human needs and wants. Economics itself has been defined as the study of how society manages, allocates its scarce resources. Classical economics recognizes three categories of resources, also referred to as factors of production. Now, what is classical economics? Classical economics or classical political economy is a school of thought in economics that flourished primarily in Britain in the late 18th century to the mid 19th century. Its main thinkers are held to be Adam Smith, Jean Baptiste Say, David Ricardo, Thomas Robert Malthus, and John Stuart Mill. These are the people recognizes three categories of resources and also referred to as factors of production. What is factors of production? Factors of production of resources or inputs are what is used in the production process to produce an output, that is finished goods and services. Then comes in the my price, the WSP, the wholesale price, and the services comes my tax for making that. The utilized amount of the various inputs determines the quantity of output according to the relationship called the production function. If I use my resources, now if I use my resources, the classical economics says that what does it depend on? What am I getting out of it? Factors of production depend on land, labor, and capital, as I said before, isn't it? So, land includes natural resources. As I told you, that exist without any action of humankind. This includes all valued characteristics such as magnetic, gravitational, electrical properties and forces. On earth, it includes sunlight, atmosphere, water, land along with vegetation, crops and animal life. Natural resources. And whatever we get under the ground. Okay. So that depends. The factors of production depends on land, labor and capital. Land, I told you, all natural resources, and is viewed as both the site of production and the source of raw materials. Okay. Now I go to buy a land, I want to build a factory, I have to see what natural resources are the mostly close by, what amount of money I have, and what is the raw material available there or not. What is my site of production? What is the source of my transporting? How am I going to produce it? What's it going to be the cost? A raw material is also known as a feedstock, unprocessed material or primary commodity. Okay, raw material, feedstock. Unprocessed, it's not processed. I am going to process it in my production and take out a finished product where I'm going to charge money, I'm going to have a source of income. Is a basic material that is used to produce goods. Finished products, energy or intermediate materials that are feedstock for future furnished products. I am making from iron ore, I am making that iron pellets. I am taking out that pig iron. Now that iron I am going to melt, again I am going to blend it in with dolomite and much more other chemicals. I am going to bring it into and I am going to roll it into bars, iron bars. Iron from pellets I am going to bring it to the iron bars. From iron bars I am going to cut it. Then I am going to again send it to another processing unit where I am going to take out finished products. My actual feedstock is iron ore. That is nothing it's got to do. I'm just digging it out from the ground, then I'm going to start processing it. Either it's for energy, we are using coal, we have to bring it out, we have to wash it, we have a coal, we have steam, we have hard steam, we have coke in coal. It's not that I bring out coke and start burning, it's going to happen. Hard coke has to be burnt outside first, it burns off first, then it goes in. So it has a much more heat energy than the hard coke. Hard coke is very tough, and steam coke shines a lot. It's got super energy and super burning power. It's very light also, and it has got that glaze. So That's all about what I was telling about a raw material, finished products, energy. Other way using it for intermediate materials that are feedstock for future finished products. Okay, labor or human resources. As I said, labor is included as human resources. Now the workforce, business sector, industry or economy. A narrower concept is human capital. Similar include manpower, labor, personal associates, or simply we can say that the bank of human. What is my resource of human? How much is my power of it? Consists of human effort provided in the creation of products paid in wage. What is wage? Wage is the monetary compensation paid by an employer to an employee. Okay, in exchange for work done. Payment may be calculated as a fixed amount for each task completed, or at an hourly or daily rate, or based on an easily measured quality of work done. Measured of quality work done is a contract, right? You do this is my I'm going to charge you, like masons charge us by the house. They want to build a house, we say that I charge you 50 rupees per square feet. So you make a measurement of how much square feet your total house is, and you pay him in parts, or once one part is done you pay him one part. Another one is in exchange for work done, we give it that this is my work, I'm going to do this work for you. I'll make 10 buckets for you, or I'll make an iron gate for you. This is my charge, you pay it for me for each task completed, or it can be on an hourly or a daily basis. Okay, daily wages are for laborers, hourly basis are for also labor class where people are paid. Also we break it up into, for our salaries, if we can break it up into hours, we can also break it up into hours and come to know about it. So that's called a wage. A capital consists of human made goods. Capital consists of human made goods or means of production, that is machinery, buildings and other infrastructure used in the production of other goods and services paid in interest. Infrastructure is fundamental facilities and systems serving a country, city or other area, including the services and facilities necessary for its economy to function. Again, development is going to come. So infrastructure is composed of public and private physical improvements such as roads, railways, bridges, tunnels, water supply. That is the infrastructure. If I don't have this infrastructure, how shall I make machinery? Means of production, how will it come? Machinery, buildings and other infrastructure used for production of other goods. If I don't have this infrastructure, I won't be able to make other goods. And services also I cannot provide, paid in interest. Interest in finance and economics is payment from a borrower and deposit or deposit taking financial institution to a lender or depositor of the amount above payment of the principal sum at a particular rate. It is distinct from a fee which the borrower may pay the lender. Some third party can also come in. I am taking 100 rupees from you. I told you at the end of the month I'll pay you 6 rupees. That is I'll pay you 6%. 6 rupees of 100 rupees I'm going to pay you, so I'm going to pay you 106 rupees. Okay, you take this money. So that is my income. From there I'm giving you that money. I'm taking it out from my pocket where there is no income. Now if that money I had got, I'm going to get an income for it. So I take loan from the bank. So bank is going to see what is your infrastructure, what is your land area, what is it. Suppose you are not able to do it, how can I get back that money which is invested into it? Correct. Understood. After that I'll come to the biological, economical versus the biological, natural resources, what are labor or human resources, capital, infrastructure, tangible versus non-tangible, resources versus reserves, use and unsustainable development. I'll give you all this information, and after that I'll give you the notes printed. I'll type out notes for you and question answers. You don't have to worry. So everything will be taken care of. I'll see you on Friday again with English. Till then, bye bye, take care, be at home, and I hope I was some useful information I was able to give you. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.